In fact, in countries like USA, the meat consumption alone accounts for 30% of total water footprint. And evidently, it requires around 50 to 75 times water to produce an animal-based food as compared to a vegetarian diet. So if you are onto a vegetarian diet, compared to that, 50 to 75 times you will have to invest water to get 1 kg of the equivalent amount of food. The table here shows you the water footprints of various food items. You have beef with 15,500 liters of water. So 1 kg of beef comprises 15,500, which means around 15 to 16 big tanks of water which store 1,000 liters each on the rooftops most of the time. And if you see the data for let's say pork, it requires 4,800 liters of water for 1 kg of pork. Compared to this, tomato 180 liters per kg, potato 250 liters per kg. This is nothing basically. This is a very surprising amount. I mean, beef, 15,500 liters of water in just 1 kg of beef. And this looks very surprising, but on the face of it, what happens is each cow would eat something like 1,300 kilograms of grain each year, and this grain has been grown on irrigated lands, and 7,200 kilograms of forage extra. So 1,300 kilograms of grain and 7,200 kilograms of forage to grow the feed alone. Plus, there are drinking requirements and there are stall cleaning requirements for the animal, which again consume more and more water. So here is a diagram in which you would find out that for 1 kg production of beef, you require 15,500 liters of water, you require 6.5 kilograms of crop, you require 36 kilograms of roughage to produce just 1 kg of actually beef, 330 square meters of ground you require, and it will be emitting 16.4 kilograms of carbon dioxide, because of which global warming will take place, and we'll come to that later. And therefore, if you see this particular diagram, you would find out that chickens are consuming 3,900 liters per kg, pork 4,850, and beef 15,500 liters of water per kg of beef. So if you really have to eat meat, obviously you should give away beef and you should choose to either have pork or you should choose to either have chicken, which is much more kind of benign in terms of water requirements. But still a better thing would be that you eat rice or soy or wheat. Wheat is consuming only 1,300. So as compared to 15,500, you have only 1,300 for the wheat. So it's a contrast. And look at if you eat only vegetables, potato only 250, tomato only 180. So the requirements for vegetables is much lesser. And if you are on a vegetarian diet, you can actually save huge amounts of water. And water is a very scarce thing in today's world. We don't realize it, but in the times to come when our population grows, when the meat consumption grows, this would be a factor, big factor into adding to the pressure on natural resources. So merely by changing our diets, actually we can save the world from potential water wars. And it is now United Nations saying that there would be potential water wars in future. And therefore, merely by changing our diets, we can avoid those kind of conflicts.